Welcome back, and what's up, YouTube? We're here back at James Gang Garage with the trusty Rusty Miata and the gang. I was a little ambitious yesterday, thinking we were going to start welding so soon, so foot and mouth on that one, but it's not that bad. We're just going to wait a little bit. Today, Brady's going to do some more measuring. If you remember last episode, we did some LiDAR scanning for science. Now he's just going to do some measurements, and we're going to brainstorm and stew on that. In the meantime, I'm going to paint some stuff up. This POR dried up real nice looking, so I'm going to maybe spritz some of it up. It's not supposed to be exposed to UV, so let's see what we can get done today. Well, I kind of got things prepped over here to do the outside. Once Brady's done doing some measuring, we're gonna prime up this side over here, spray it, see how it looks. Remember, when working with toxic materials, it's important to wear your PPE for safety. Duh. I'm Zach Bagans. While the paint's drying, I thought I'd check up on the guys and James's advanced lighting system. Oh my, James. Oh my. I don't think this is one of them things you could just forget about, is it?
Yeah, this isn't a big deal. This is just the shell, right? So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the wire brush to this, and we're gonna clean all this up.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put some sort of rust inhibiting
Sure.
and do the right thing and forget about it.
All right. I like it. Now it's time to put a second coat on. I'm gonna go around and put a second coat of primer on the areas that look kind of crappy. And then I gotta let that dry. Nothing like letting paint dry. You know how that goes. Don't act like you don't. And then I might finish this side up with some enamel black and just get it wrapped up. I'm still debating spraying the control arms and stuff. Might do a test on the top one here to see what it looks like. Might not even do it. I don't know. We'll see. Well, as the second coat dries here, Brady and I are going to go a little test drive in his car. And I'm going to see what his new header that I sold him, my old header, feels like in the car. While the second coat of primer's drying, I went and checked out the old parts car, and it's not looking so bad, is it? Except for that one spot, but... While the paint's drying some on the actual car, I'm going to work a little on the fenders, just try and be as efficient as possible. Gonna go ahead and finish up today, just spraying this one last fender down, calling her good for the weekend. Got a lot done, got the one whole side pretty much primed out. I wish it was a little more dry so I could get on to painting it, but what are you gonna do? So join us next time. I'm gonna paint this sucker. It's gonna be a few weeks before we get to welding on it, but you can stick around, right? Like, comment, subscribe if you've enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.